I'm Priscilla Lara, your neighborhood reporter. We're learning more about an Arvin PD employee who allegedly illegally leaked a photo of a bloodied city councilman. That employee is now facing felony criminal charges, and the city could be on the hook for hundreds of thousands of dollars. Property and evidence technician Jasmine Garcia was arrested on March 28th and is facing a felony criminal charge alleging she unlawfully accessed and copied data from a police computer without permission. The data in question, a photo of Councilman Donny Horton suffering injuries to his face in May of last year. The photo was taken after Councilman Horton had been in a physical altercation with his sister, Planning Commissioner Jasmine Horton. Days after, court documents say a news reporter reached out to the police chief asking for the status of the case, attaching the photo of Horton.
And I give kudos to the reporting party on this, right, who had brought it to my attention, asking a simple question, right, brought this to my attention. It allowed me to go through the checks and balances that we have here.
When an investigator from the district attorney's office questioned Garcia, documents say that at first, Garcia denied accessing the case and sending Horton's photo. But later, documents say Garcia admitted to sending the photo, which was taken when police responded to the fight between Horton and his sister. The report states, Garcia said the reason she sent the photo out was because she was venting because she was upset with how this case was being handled.
But this was a mutual combat misdemeanor not committed in our presence that we would handle on a day-to-day basis.
Further auditing and internal investigation revealed that this apparently wasn't the only time Garcia had accessed sensitive information inappropriately. According to the documents, Garcia accessed a homicide case from 2019 and may have passed information to her roommate, who is the sister of the homicide suspect.
I want to make it very clear that our department didn't start doing audits after this alleged incident. We have the ability to audit every report that comes through, every interaction that comes through, our body cams, and a whole variety of things.
As of June 2024, Garcia has been on paid administrative leave. For his part, Councilman Horton filed a demand letter asking for $450,000 in monetary damages from the city and threatening litigation if the city fails to respond. In a statement to 23 ABC, he says, quote, "It is apparent that my previous incident that was fully investigated and given to the DA's office, where no charges were filed, was brought to light by certain city employees involving the city union rep and a now elected public official in order to slander and cause harm to me and my family." Horton goes on to say, "I am thankful this matter was investigated by the DA's office and look forward to it being resolved through the justice system. At this point, I have no further comments on this matter." End quote. Upon asking both the city manager and the mayor the potential impacts the claim could have on the city, both preferred not to comment. Garcia is expected for a hearing at Lamont Court on April 14th. For 23 ABC, I'm Priscilla Lara, your neighborhood reporter.